use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Yes, sir. Oh, actually, it's pretty good. What's your name and what's in here, man?
Randy, and I got they're scar downs. They're completely custom made Coriolis build. They're 15-inch subs, and I got two 3K car amps, and they're wired to half an ohm.
Okay. And you built the box?
Me and my dad did.
Okay.
And the port's on the back, facing towards the hatch.
Okay, I'll go look at it after.
Alright.
And you got the wooden roof.
Yeah, I had sunroof issues.
Oh, okay. This help a lot?
Huh?
Does this help a good bit?
Oh, hell yeah, dude. If I didn't have this, you'd hear way more rattles.
What's your battery and electrical for your alternators?
I got a 50 amp hour lithium battery, and I actually have a stock alternator.
Stock, okay.
Yeah.
All right. Can I see the back real quick?
Yeah.
Awesome.
What's your channel called, man?
JacobViral.
Yeah, my car would be so trash when I travel down here from Michigan.
It's all good, man. What's up, man? Yes, sir. That's good.
I literally just put it in right before the show.
Looks good, though, man.
I appreciate it.
Thank you for showing me. Nice to meet you. Yeah, check me out if you don't. JacobViral, you'll see my videos. Yeah, I'd love to hear it.
Back to them.
dope. I can't imagine how much flex you're getting without that.
Yeah, dude, it was really bad.
It was? Yes, sir. Thank you for the demo. Can I see the back real quick? Awesome.
What's your channel called, man?
JacobViral.
Yeah, my car would be so trash when I travel.
It's all,
down here from Michigan.
it's all good, man. What's up, man? Yes, sir. That's good.
I literally just put it in right before the show.
Looks good, though, man.
I appreciate it, man.
Thank you for showing me. Nice to meet you. Yeah, check me out if you don't. JacobViral, go through my videos.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.